Hi everyone, this is a video about this Sony Walkman that the model number is WM-EX526. It has this ugly sticker on the face that it says up to 35 hours of playtime. And what is this? Remote control, auto reverse, European color variation. And then here it says 1 AA drive, and this is relatively in good condition. It has just a dent in here, but in general it's very good. It is in very good condition. There is a little bit of a scratch here and there, but for the age of this, that is more than 25 years old, so it has survived very well. It has no button anywhere else but hold here and volume and remote control connection here, and then the open. And when you open it, you can see that is in very mint condition. It's clean, and the battery compartment is really good. Let me just open it for you. It's really good. No rust at all on either side. And it's working fine. Let me just install a battery in there. And the battery goes like so. And I put a tape in there, and when you put a tape in there is the head feeder. It means the head first, this part first, and then when you close it, make sure that the tape is fully inserted inside. And some people, they are selling these second hand, and they are saying, oh, everything works and it's hunky-dory, but you need to change the belt. And when it comes, you change the belt, you see that it's not working. Is because these two sensors are faulty. One of them is for existence of the tape inside, that it recognizes it, and the other one is just to cut everything off if the tape is not there. So these two are very important. Check them before you purchase them. And if it's not, it's very hard to come by. And unfortunately it's gonna be useless when you purchase it. So this is my advice to you. And then you close it, and then at the top we have the function button, and then the battery. You see, I hate these sort of writing. I talked to you about this in my other videos about the model EX522 and the 522. I don't know about these variations. Look at it. This one is 522 and this one is 526. What is the difference? If you know, let me know. Anyhow, both of them, they are the same. The functions are the same. Nothing is different. And both of them, they don't have the Dolby NR. But they are different color. This one has a sticker. And that's really it. And the color of this is gray, and this one is blue, the plastic in the middle, but the rest are more or less the same. Nothing is different. This one is a little bit more visible, all these writings, and this one is less visible. Anyway, we put this aside and we talk about this. And the function button is about, when you want. Let me see if this battery is good or not. I guess the battery is not good. Just wait a moment. I just check the battery and come back. Okay, I have changed the battery. The battery was absolutely dead. So the function button we have here And the first one, when you press this, it shows you the battery level, and as brighter this one gets, it means you have a better battery. And then here you have the blank skip, and here you have auto volume level system, and that's really it. And here we have normal, mega bass, and groove sound processor. So let's try and see. These are a little bit loud, and let me just put the volume down and then connect this and then listen to this. Let's see. So this one is absolutely basic. Is nothing special about this. I guess we are about to start. Okay, we are going to the other side. This is absolutely bare basic. There is nothing else. I like those that it has the radio as well. Let me just see. Yeah. And then the quality. This is mega bass and groove. This is normal, mega bass, and the groove. The quality is not bad, but it's absolutely basic with 3 sound effects and forward and rewind cue, automatic music sensor, and auto reverse. That's it. And it's amazing that they can do 35 up to 35 hours with one AA battery. And the auto reverse. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you this and this one side by side, just to, if you know what is different between these two, please let me know in the comment section. Apart from this one, it says Walkman WM-EX526, and this one says cassette player WM-EX526. Other than that, the color and this sticker, ugly sticker, everything is the same. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time. Oh, sorry about this. The price of this, if it's in mint condition like this, you can pay up to £60 for this. But if it's not, and if this is in working order, and if it's not in working order, you have to pay £6 something, £7 for the belt. So wow, and you have to go through the opening it and changing it and servicing it. So don't pay more than £40 if it's not in working order. But this one is in mint condition apart from this. Anyhow, I hope again you enjoyed this video. So until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.